Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fluentic English. I'm James.
And I'm Laura. We are so happy you are learning with us today.
Yes, welcome. Today we have a very practical and useful topic for you.
That's right. We are going to learn how to order coffee and snacks at a cafe, all in English.
This is a very common situation. Almost every town and city has a coffee shop. Knowing how to order is a great skill.
Exactly. It helps you feel confident when you travel or even just explore new places in your own city. So let's get started.
Okay, so first, let's learn the most important phrases for ordering. When you go to the counter, you need to say what you want. A very polite phrase is, I would like.
I would like. That sounds very nice.
It is. You can say, hello, I would like a coffee, please. It's very important to add please.
Right. So I can say, I would like a tea, please. Or, I would like a water, please.
Perfect. Another very common phrase, a little more casual, is can I have?
Can I have... Okay. For example, can I have a hot chocolate, please?
Exactly. You can also say, can I get? It means the same thing. Can I get a coffee, please?
So we have I would like, can I have, and can I get. 3 great ways to order.
Now, let's add more details. Drinks often come in different sizes.
Yes, that's true. The usual sizes are small, medium, and large.
Small, medium, large.
Small, medium, large. Okay, where do we put the size in our sentence?
You put the size right before the drink. For example, can I have a large coffee, please?
Ah, okay. So I would like a small tea, please.
Perfect. Now, what about coffee or tea? People often add milk or sugar. That's right. Now, let's talk about different kinds of coffee. Sometimes the menu has many options. That's right. Now, let's talk about different kinds of coffee. Sometimes the menu has many options.
Right. The person working, the barista, might ask, would you like milk or sugar?
And you can give a simple answer. Yes, please. Or no, thank you.
Okay, what if I want only milk?
Just milk, please. Or if you want sugar, you can say, just sugar, please.
What if I want both?
Then you say, both, please. It's easy.
Okay, so we know how to order, but the barista will ask us questions. We talked about milk and sugar. What else do they ask, James?
A very common question is, for here or to go?
Ah, yes. For here or to go. What does that mean?
For here means you will stay in the cafe to eat or drink. They will give you a real cup or plate.
Okay, I see. And to go?
To go means you will take it with you and leave the cafe. They will give you a paper cup and a bag.
That's clear. So you can answer, for here, please, or to go, please.
Exactly. Another question they always ask is, anything else?
Anything else means, do you want more things?
Yes. Maybe you want a cookie or a sandwich. You can say, yes, can I also have a cookie, please?
And if you don't want anything more?
No, thank you. Or, no, that's all.
No, that's all. That's a good one to remember.
Okay, I think we are ready to put it all together. A role play is a great way to practice.
Yes, let's do it. A practice conversation.
I will be the customer first, and Laura, you can be the barista.
Okay, sounds good. Ready when you are. Hello, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium coffee, please?
Of course. Milk and sugar?
No, thank you. Just black.
Okay. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else for you today?
No, that's all. Thanks. A large tea. Sure. Anything else?
Yes. Can I also have a croissant, please?
Of course, a large tea and the croissant. Will that be for here or to go?
For here, please?
Great. Your total is $6.
See, it's not so difficult once you know the phrases.
Not at all. Let's do a very quick review of the key phrases.
I would like, or can I have?
Remember to add the size, small, medium, or large.
Be ready for questions like for here or to go.
Anything else?
The best thing you can do now is practice. Try saying the phrases out loud.
That's a great idea. Practice helps you remember and feel more confident.
Well, that is all the time we have for today. We hope this lesson was helpful.
Join us next time on Fluentique English.
Thank you for listening. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.